I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by checking a few essentials, then open Settings. You need to know your Android version so you pick the right menu. Go to Settings about Phone and note it. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and you've backed up any customized sound profiles. Next, connect to Wi-Fi so downloads won't fail. Now tap Sound and Vibration or Hardware buttons. This first step locates the controls you'll change immediately. You'll now decide whether to use built-in mapping or an app. If setting system gestures or buttons shows volume key behavior, change short/long press actions there. This is simpler and safer. If your phone lacks options, install a trusted remapper from the Play Store. Once installed, open it and grant accessibility and notification access so it can intercept key presses. Make the change. Assign single press to volume, long press. You're finishing up. Test the new behavior immediately across media, phone calls, and the lock screen. Reboot your device to ensure the mapping persists and that no other app overrides it. If things look good, tweak volume steps or long press actions inside the remapper for finer control. If the buttons don't respond, make sure the remapper still has accessibility and notification permissions. Revoke and regrant them or uninstall conflicting apps. That troubleshooting step usually resolves permission or conflict issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.